है ना, शुरू है ना, ठीक है ना।
Now mute everybody. Please mute.
प्रार्थना से शुरू करते हैं।
ज्योति बेन आएगा कि नहीं? ज्योति बेन,
प्रेम जी आप कुछ बोलिए तो आपकी
हाँ जी।
आवाज जा रही है, देख लेते हैं।
हाँ जी, हम प्रार्थना से शुरू करेंगे. We'll start with the chanting of prayers. Today I was instructed by Rajendra Bhai Sahab.
नहीं इंस्ट्रक्टेड नहीं.
We get instructions.
नहीं.
So I was
We are
instructed
discussing.
by him, no doubt, that little bit of English should be used there, because there are a few persons who want that lecture should be or the class should be in English because they don't understand Hindi. So we'll try to mix Hindi as well as English. So let's start with the prayer. We'll take prayer position. With your crossed legs, spine erect. Sit in that Sukhasana sthiti. First we'll chant Om thrice, all of us together. Once again, deep breath in. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We started with chanting the prayer before we start yoga practice. Now, before starting any pranayam or any exercise, asana, I would like you to know the meaning of this prayer. Because when you pray God, what do you pray? You must know that. If you have meaning in your mind, you can concentrate more on that. First is Om Sahana Vavatu. Om Sahana. Om is the name of God. We call God by the name of Om, because in every religion of our Hindu, we say Om, Ek Onkar, Om in Jain, Om in Buddha also, they all chant Om. Om, may we all be protected. Sahana Vavatu. Sah, Naha means we, Sah means all. May we all, Vavatu is protected. May we all be together protected. And Sahanau Bhunaktu. May we all be, just a minute. May we all be nourished together. Whatever we take, we all be nourished together. Sahanau bhunaktu sah viryam karvavahi. May our work should be together with great energy. May we all work together with great energy. Sahaviryam karavavahai. May all our work should be together and with great energy. Tejasvina vadhitam astu. May we study, whatever we study, be enlightening. May our studies be enlightening. Whatever we study, that should give enlightenment to us. Tejasvina vadhitam astu ma vidvishavahai. And may we don't have dvesha, the feeling of what we say, we don't have the feeling of being against each other. We should be together all the time. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om peace. Peace, what sort of peace? Peace within, peace with each other, and peace in the whole world. We desire that peace. Sahana Vavatu, may we all be protected. Sahanau Bhunaktu, may we all be nourished together. Sahar Viryam Karavavahai, our all work together be with great energy. Tejasvina Vadhitam astu, our valor should be to one side, yani for the benefit of others. And Ma Vidvishavahi, we don't hate each other, we have love for each other. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May we have peace, peace of the mind, peace with each other, and peace of the whole universe. Last we said Asato ma sadgamay. Asato ma sadgamay. May we are praying to God that may God please take us from ignorance and lead us to the truth. Lead us from ignorance to the truth. Asato ma sadgamay. From the fake word, from the false word to the truth. Tamaso ma jyotirgamay. From darkness, lead us to light. It means darkness of, if we don't have knowledge, it means we are in the dark. From darkness to light. Mrityor ma mritam game. And from death, lead us to immortality. Our work should be so that we become immortal. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Again same, peace within, peace with each other, and peace in the whole universe. This was the meaning of our prayer that we do every time before we start our yoga practice. Is it clear now? If you have any question in that prayer, you may ask now. Om Shanti. So shall I start with the yogic exercises?
क्वेश्चन का पूछना है, ऐसा पूछते आप किसी को तो अनम्यूट करो सबको.
हाँ जी.
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, क्वेश्चन आंसर लेटर लास्ट में रखें.
Okay, that will be good. That will be good.
नहीं, ये प्रेयर के लिए पूछना है तो
मैं फिर भी whatever they will not, one can note down. समझ गए? Otherwise we distracted.
Yes,
Okay.
That's also good. तो एक सिस्टम में ही चलते हैं, ठीक है ना प्रेम जी?
हाँ जी, ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
Now the prayer we were chanting, that will generate a certain amount of strength in the immune system. Why do we pray? We pray to enhance, strengthen our immune system. Hold yourself a little distance of your belonging. I say, hold yourself at a little distance from your belongings. Sit in a cross-legged position with spine comfortably erect. Face slightly upward. Inhale and exhale gently. Hands upon your thighs, knees. And your attention, concentrate or bring your attention in the middle part or the central part of your eyebrows. That is Jnana Chakra, Agya Chakra. Mind focusing on breath, thought, and awareness. Try to isolate yourself from the worldly affairs. Inhale and exhale gently. Mentally, say to yourself, when you inhale, say to yourself, I am not a body or mind. When exhale, say, I am a peaceful soul. So we'll repeat it for 10 times. I'll say, and you'll say in your mind, have that feeling. And time taken should be in exhale and inhale, should be the same. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not a body or mind. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm not the body or mind. I'm the peaceful soul. I'm not the body or mind. I'm the peaceful soul. I'm not the body or mind. I'm the peaceful soul. I'm not the body or mind. I'm the peaceful soul. I'm not the body or mind. I'm the peaceful soul. Gently inhale and exhale. When we chant this mantra of I'm not the body and mind, I'm the peaceful soul, these are designed in a way, if the vibration will start from the center of your body and your Manipura chakra, that comes in Jagrit Avastha. Now we'll start with Bhastrika Pranayam. We are doing these pranayams to strengthen our lungs, our immune system. First of all, we'll concentrate on Bhastrika Pranayam. In this pranayam, what happens? We inhale with the force and exhale with the force. And whatever comes out from your nose, let it come. You must be having handkerchief or some tissue paper. You can clean with that. But let it come because we want to clean our lungs. Cleanliness is a must. As we want to clean our body, we are supposed to clean our body outside. We are supposed to clean our body from inside. And then we'll go to the next process of cleaning the mind also. So let's start with Bhastrika Pranayama. Deep breath in. And when you take deep breath in, chant any mantra in your mind so that it may come with a rhythm. Now, when we take the position like this, when we inhale, our hand will go up, and when we exhale, our hands will go down. Inhale, exhale. When you lift your hands, your arms should touch the ears. It should be very near to the ears. Relax. Last time I told you, when you do this Bhastrika Pranayam, keep the mantra, Pranayam mantra, Om Bhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Swaha, Om Mahaha, Om Gunaha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam. These are Bhu, Bhuvaha, Swaha, Maha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyaha. All these are the Vyahrityas. Vyahrityas means these are the virtues, these are the qualities of God, which we remind ourselves. These are the qualities of God. And we should have in mind that the thing or only that can be Paramatma who has got these qualities, none else. Om Bhu, we'll say like this. Om Bhu, Om Swaha, Om Swaha, Om Mahaha, Om Janaha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam. Now, you are not supposed to speak. I'll speak and you keep these things in mind. And without opening the mouth, we'll do. No need of raising your hands. Just put your hands on your knees and do it. Breathe in, deep breath in, breath out. This way, we can devote 2 to 3 minutes in Bhastrika Pranayama. Our lungs will be opened. And when we breathe in, let the tummy come out. And when we breathe out, your chest or lungs, chest should expand. This is the condition here. When we breathe in, let the tummy should come out because we fill the air in the tummy. And when we breathe out, your chest should expand. This is the thing. This thing we remember. Now, next we'll do Kapalabhati. All of you know Kapalabhati. Kapala is the forehead or this face. Kapal, this represent, and Bhati is glows. Kapalabhati, our forehead or our face starts glowing when we practice Kapalabhati Pranayam. In Kapalabhati Pranayam, you should have to concentrate on your breath coming out, on exhaling. You exhale, exhale, exhale. When you exhale, your tummy will go in. This is but natural. When you exhale, when you breathe out, what happens? Just see. I breathe out. I can show you clearly. when I breathe out, like this, this way. So you have to concentrate on breathing out. Breathe out. First, when you do this practice, you may feel little pain at the back. So do it slowly. And those who have blood pressure, high blood pressure, they should also do it slowly. And those who are suffering from any operation, those who have got operated, their stomach or any way in the body, they should do it very slowly. And doing after the operation of 6 months, you should start doing this. If you have tummy operation, stomach operation in the intestines, so you should take more time, 6 months time. Otherwise, you can do it daily. Start with 2 minutes. If you are tired, then have a break for 1 minute or 30 seconds, then again start. But your pain at the back will be finished soon. There won't be any pain. It needs only practice, practice and practice. Let's start doing this. When you do pranayam, close your eyes, only then do it, because your whole attention will be on doing pranayam, nowhere else. Doing pranayam, there are 3 ingredients needed: your breath, your thought, and your awareness. And that should be in the right combination if you use them. Your ability to use the mind and body is greatly enhanced. Do it. You almost look superhuman. Not to the self, but to others. And the only way to experience true well-being is to turn inward. This is what yoga means. While doing pranayam, try to turn inward. Not up, not out, but in and only in. Just 5 minutes a day can transform your life. Do it. This simple practice of doing Kapalabhati Pranayam will help you to cut through the struggles and walk through life with ease. You'll cut through the struggles easily and walk through the life also with ease. Relax. Here we have done only 3 to 4 minutes, maximum 5 minutes we have done. So you have to practice, or you can enhance this practice up to 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. If not both the times, then once a day you can practice it 10 minutes, but do it regularly then you will be benefited. And next time when you come, I'm sure you will feel relaxed and more refreshed. And you will tell that I got this benefit. Now, next is for the lungs. Now, first we did pranayam Kapalabhati. That was mainly for your stomach, for your any clottage, any clots or any swelling in the body. When you have any type of swelling in the body or any problem in any part of the body, that is removed with that, because it is very good for blood circulation. When blood circulation is good, there is no problem in the body. So now we'll have more concentration on the lungs. We'll expand the lungs, and while doing this, Anulom Vilom, what happens? The time you take in inhaling, the same time you have to take in exhaling. In Kapalabhati, we are not concentrating on inhaling. We were just exhaling, exhaling and exhaling. And in Kapalabhati, what was that? Inhale was passive. It was not active, it was passive. But in Anulom Vilom, what happens? It's Purak, Rechak, and in middle it is Kumbhak. Purak is inhale, Kumbhak is you have to hold it, and Rechak is you have to exhale. But when we are doing Kapalabhati, when we are doing slowly, then what happens? First we'll inhale, then hold it for a few seconds, then exhale from the other nostril. And when you are in the practice of doing all this, you can do like this. This is. So let's start doing Anulom Vilom. Put your thumb on the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Then put your middle fingers on the left nostril and exhale from the right. Now you exhaled from the right, so you are supposed to inhale from the right. Put your thumb here, exhale from the left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This practice, when you inhale, your chest will expand. When you exhale, it will be slow down. Now let's do it. Let's start doing. Do you follow me? Am I right? Please start doing. Put your right thumb on the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Now put these two fingers on the left and exhale from the right. Now inhale from the left. This is one round. I told you to do it with any mantra or any shloka that you have in your mind. For example, I'll say Om Bhur Bhuvaswa, you inhale. Tat Savitur Varenyam, you exhale. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, inhale. Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat, exhale. This way we have to start. Again, we'll start from this. Om Bhur Bhuvaswa, Tat Savitur Varenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. It will take the same time in inhaling and exhaling. Let's start. start doing. I'm looking at all of you, and few persons are not doing it. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me later, and please start doing. All of you. This practice we have to make for 5 to 10 minutes daily. It will clear our lungs. There are two pipes, food pipe and windpipe. So our windpipe gives air to the whole body. And if windpipe is strong, only then the working of the body will be smooth. If there is blockage in the wind, if you find problem in our breath, taking breath, when we are suffering from asthma or cold, what happens? The whole body is sluggish. It's not relaxed. We start feeling fever also. So let's start doing Anulom Vilom. Diseases related to heart, lungs, brain, all are cured. To improve the quality in life, we are supposed to do Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom daily, at least for 10 minutes each. With simple practice of yoga, start with simple practice of yoga in 3 to 4 months time, our pulse rate will drop at 8 to 20 counting very easily. That means body is running so much more efficiently and at a relaxed pace. Average pulse rate on empty stomach is 70 to 80. The person doing right type of sadhana or meditation, that has the range between 30 to 40. And even after a good lunch, it would stay in 50. This is one parameter that indicates the level of refreshfulness and restfulness that body is experiencing moment to moment. This is the parameter of our sadhana or right type of sadhana or right type of meditation. Average pulse rate is 70 to 80. And who is doing regular practice is having 30 to 40 pulse rate, I'm telling you. And after a good lunch, one would have a pulse rate of 50 per minute. So this is the parameter I told you, and you can feel it by putting your hand here on your pulse. Now let's move next to one more exercise that is for our intestines again, and that is breathing out process. Bahya pranayam. Bahya pranayam, you exhale and then don't breathe in. Do the exercise of your tummy like this way. I tell you, you can see me. What is? First exhale, and then your tummy will go in. When you exhale, tummy will go in. And what we'll do? When tummy goes in, we'll do the exercise of tummy, intestines. Come in, out, in, out. Just see how it is. The moment I start taking breath in, it will stop. So I have to do like this. Once again, I show you. Like this. Breathe out. All of you do with me. Breathe out. So you can do it first 4 to 5 times, then 10 times, then 20 times, 25 times. You can increase this. And this is very good for the intestines. Any problem in the intestines will be resolved. Any ailments will be cured. Next pranayam is that is very essential for all of us after the age of 50 or 55. That is Tribandha. Tribandha is also with Bahya Pranayam. First we'll exhale, breathe out completely, and then contract our pelvic plexus. We have to contract our pelvic process, squeeze our pelvic plexus. And then secondly, we have to keep our tummy in. And third is your chin should come to this cavity. Tribandh. One is, first is Manipur, then, Moolbandh. When you squeeze or when you contract your pelvic plexus, that is Moolbandh. And then squeeze your tummy, let your tummy go at the back. That is Udyana Bandh. And this chin touching this cavity is, let the chin touch this cavity of the neck. Jalandhar Bandh. Mool Bandh, Udyana Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh. You have control over your senses, and that is a must. Let's start it. Breathe out. You can sit this way or you can sit this way. Anyway. Hold it for 10 to 11 seconds. Then breathe in. Your chin up, tummy out, and relax your pelvic portion. Why this is must? Because at this age, our pelvic portion starts, all our organs from the pelvic, they start coming out. They are loose. So we have to tight them while contracting. And tummy in, this is a good exercise for your stomach. And then chin here, spine erect. Circulation will be perfect. After 10 to 11 seconds, we can first lift the chin, then tummy out on the normal position and plexus at normal. Is it clear? This you can do 2 to 3 times daily. At this age, it's a need of the time. Now, after doing this, we'll come to Bhramari. Bhramari pranayam is good for your brain, for good memory, for giving oxygen to the brain. Our brain, we start having so many brain problems at this age. Even younger age one can start having, because we are all the time under stress. So to come out of that stress or to sharpen our memory, you can give this practice to your children, also grandchildren, because they also need more memory power. Oxygen will go. How it will go? I'll tell you the way. Will close. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. We are
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Now,
very good.
first we'll shut the door of the ear with thumb. 2 fingers here near the eye and nose. Index finger on the forehead and little finger on the cheeks below. We'll close this and then we'll chant Om without opening the mouth. It will be like this. And we have to do it 3 times at least now. At home you can do it for 5 times. You won't hear my voice also. No one, you can't hear any voice from outside. Only your own voice. Now relax. Relax, all of you. Now inhale slowly, exhale slowly. Relax the whole body and breathe normally, naturally. When you inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, expel the last trace of air from the body. Now, you must be tired sitting on in one position. If you are on the ground, you can open your legs like this. And if you are on the chair, you can put one more chair in front of you. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes.
Now, let's do a little bit of exercise of our legs because must be tired by the time. Bring your awareness to your toe, fingers of toe. When you inhale, go down, exhale in the normal position, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just toe, not the foot, just toes. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes. It's visible.
Yeah, toes. Inhale, hold it for a few seconds. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Repeat it for 10 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now we'll do the same thing with the ankle. When we inhale, ankle will go forward. Stretch. There should be stretching in the ankles, forward. And when exhale, it will be backward, coming to the self. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, backward, this way, this way. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, let there be gap between the 2 feet. Same thing we'll do inward and outward, like this. When you inhale, inward. When you exhale, outward. Inhale. Let it be with the normal breath. This is very good exercise for your legs, for your knees also. It will strengthen your knees. We are doing exercise for the knees and the legs. Now join your both the feet together. First, now we'll make a circle or draw a circle clockwise. With the force you have to do it. Forward, right, back, left. Forward, right, back, left. Make 5 circles. Forward, right, back, left. Forward, right, back, left. Forward, right, back, left. Forward. Now, anti-clockwise. The same thing. First it's forward, left, back, right. Forward, left, back, right. Forward, left, back, right. Forward, left. Try to make a big circle or big zero with your feet only. When you do this, now put your hand upward, up. Try to touch your feet and head down. Once again. Now, your right foot on your thigh. If you can't put it here, you can put it a little below. Yeah, and then one hand on your foot, another hand below your knee. And then what to do? Is it clear? When you put your hand here, try to touch the ground with your knee and then lift the knee and touch your chest. This is good for your this portion, thigh joint. Because we can't sit on the ground, and this will help you sitting on the ground. Now, with this, do it. Ten times. Then put the leg straight. Same exercise with the other leg. If you can't put your foot on the thigh, little below, you can put it. Now, with the help of this hand, we'll put it down like this. Then chest. Now, both the feet together. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, that's visible.
Lock your feet with your hands and do butterfly. I'm not very comfortable while sitting on bed. I can try it on the floor if you can see me. I think you can see now.
Yes,
It's up to you how much time you can devote, because it will relax your thigh joint. And this heaviness on the thighs will be reduced. But it needs practice, regular practice. Relax. Now we'll do another exercise. Now from foot to legs. Now we'll do while on chair or on floor. Sit straight. Hands at your shoulder line. What is left hand will be touching your right thigh, and right hand will be touching your left buttock like this. Is it visible? I don't think you can see me.
नहीं नहीं दिख रहा है पूरा ठीक से.
Okay.
It's all visible.
This is for your waistline. You have to turn yourself from this portion, from the waistline or the lower tummy. But something is coming on my screen. I can't see you.
ना ना नहीं दिख रहा है हमको सब.
एक second. Now I can see you.
Okay. What was wrong there?
Yeah. Next is, put your hands here. Shoulder line. Here. Then we have to make circles with our arms. When we inhale, arms will go up. Exhale, they'll come down. Five circles this way. And then 5 from back to front. No, not this way. It should try to touch this. Yeah, here it should be permanently, no. On both the sides, we are making circles with the help of arms and elbows. Back, front, upward, down, like this. Relax. Now, little bit more exercise of your legs. If you are sitting on chair, it's okay. If you are on the floor, then I'll tell you otherwise. Now, while on the chair, you can do it. Lift your leg up and touch the chest. Straight. Don't like this. Do it like this. Your foot should be, toe should be from your side. Yeah, this way. Up. When we do like this, there is stress on the calf muscles. Great stretch on the calf muscles. And not only with calf muscles, lower portion of the knee and thigh muscle. All are stretched. Up, straight, foot back. Feel the stretch in the calf muscles and the thigh muscle. Same with the other leg. Hold it for a few seconds. 10 to 15 seconds at least. This way you can practice it at home. What next? It is little bit exercise of the waist and the whole body. Doing skipping. You will be energized while doing skipping. Sit on the chair. Let there be little gap of your shoulder line. And then hold your skip. Then start doing. Back straight. Relax. Now opposite. The whole body is energized. Do it, whole body will be energized. You'll start having sweat. Okay.
प्रेम जी,
हाँ जी.
अभी 12:10 हुई है तो मेडिटेशन शुरू करेंगे, फिर 12:20 से क्वेश्चन किसी को में कर लेंगे.
चलिए ठीक है, तो बाकी हम एक्सरसाइजेज नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे. हाँ, एक एक्सरसाइज छोटी सी मैं बता दूं.
हाँ करो.
जिनको हाई ब्लड प्रेशर रहता है उनके लिए, दोज हु आर हैविंग हाई ब्लड प्रेशर यानी डायबिटीज, sorry, diabetes, those who have diabetes, they will do this exercise, not high blood pressure. Breathe out. Whenever we breathe out, tummy will go in. Breathe out. Press your tummy on both the sides of your belly button like this, and then bend down. While bending down, you have to keep your face direct, straight, not down, like this. Face like this. Again. First breathe out. Hold it for a few seconds or as much as you can. What happens with this? When we press our tummy, our pancreas is pressed. And while pressing the pancreas, pancreatic juice is created. That is the natural insulin. That natural insulin from the pancreas, that is the pancreatic juice, that will run through the whole body. And your diabetic condition will be improved. Once again, I can show you. Press it like this, down. Face should be upward in front, facing the wall in front of you. Then slowly get up. When you get up, then you can inhale. When you bow down, whenever in any exercise, when we bow down, we exhale. When we expand our body or come to the natural position, then we inhale. Inhale and exhale vision. Now, let's relax and go for meditation. All of you, first relax. Now the question comes, why do we meditate? What's the need of meditation? These exercises are for the body, to keep our body fit. But why to meditate? This question comes. You have to start with 2 minutes every day and gradually increase that. First, observe your now relax the whole body. Start breathing naturally. If you are at home, you know, you can lie down on bed also. If you are lying on your bed, your feet little apart, hands also little apart from your body, palms facing upward. eyes closed. And if you are on the chair, then keep your spine erect without leaning at the back, but gently keep yourself erect, not with the stress or strain. Close your eyes, your hands on your thighs, hands half opened, facing the sky. Focus on one point or one mantra. Bring your thought waves to a complete cessation. Thought waves to a complete cessation. Focus on any mantra or any one point of your body, might be the central part of the eyebrows, Agya Chakra. Meditation is as you clean your body from outward. Similarly, cleaning your mind every day is equally important as your external cleanliness. So clean the mind. We have to concentrate ourselves within. Concentrate yourself. Take deep breath in. Hold the breath. And now breathe out. Again, take deep breath in. Hold the breath for 5 seconds. Breathe out. If you lie down, knees straight, slightly bent. And if you are on the chairs, then also ease your arms and legs. Feel your body. When I say your body, it means you are not body. Body is yours. So you have to observe your body with the eyes of the mind. Relax your feet. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feet are totally relaxed. calf muscles, shin bone, knees, thigh muscles, thigh bone. Feel all are relaxed. Now take your journey upward toward the pelvic plexus. That's also relaxed. Your intestines, pancreas, spleen, kidneys, all are working smoothly. Relax your stomach, liver. After relaxing your stomach, come to the heart. Its veins, blood is circulating in a natural way. With stress, scarcity, veins were stressful a couple of minutes ago, but now you feel yourself in the lap of immortal entity. With the circulation of blood, emotions are calm. All hazards are finished, gone away. Heart is stress-free, totally relaxed. Let your lungs also be stressless. And feel the respiratory system is working in normal process. Take deep breath in. And now slowly breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing. No disease is left. Surrender to the Almighty. And this surrender with determination and full faith makes you stressless. Wherever you concentrate, energy takes place. It takes its shape. When energized, unknown power takes place. Now, come to the neck, throat, jaws, cheeks, nose, eyes, ears, forehead, lips. The whole face is stress-free and relaxed. Concentrate on your breaths. And feel that you are Amrita Putra. Amrit Putra means you are immortal soul in the lap of God. When you say Tvameva Mata, Chapita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhu, Jasakha Tvameva, Tvameva Vidya, Dravinam Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam, Mama Deva Deva. O God, you are my father, you are my mother, you are my brother, you are my sister, you are my bandhu, you are my friend. Everything, whenever I need you, you come in that very form. You help me in that form. You are the knowledge and you are everything, Jad and Chetan. Everything, Dravinam, everything for me. My all desires, my all aspirations are filled by you. To break your isolation, you start loving your children. Go with your breaths. Go to your real forms. Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. As Atma is in our whole body, so the God is in the whole universe. Feel the presence of that immortal entity. You are doing meditation. Meditation is dhyana. Dhyana is, why to do dhyana? The question comes. Dhyana inside or meditating upon your Atma Tattva, it will enhance the vitality, focus, memory, and productivity. Meditation stabilizes the body, mind, and emotions. Meditation imparts a lasting sense of joy, peace, and fulfillment. And on physical side, meditation strengthens and stabilizes the spine. It can relieve back pain, stress, anxiety, and tension. So we need to give time to the self for physical health and for spiritual binding. If egg is broken from inside force, life ends. If egg is broken from outside force, a life ends. And the same egg if it's broken from inside force, a life begins. If egg is broken from outside force, it breaks down. And if it's broken from inside force, life begins. So great thing always come from inside force, from within. And not because of its power, but because of its consistency. Never lose your hope. Have strong resolutions and keep working toward your vision. Consistency will bring your mission achieved. Now rub your hands and in the warmth of your hands, opens your eyes. In the warmth of your hands, open your eyes gently and thank God. So before ending our program, let's have a little bit of laughing session. We'll do laughing. First, it will be looking quite unnatural, but slowly and gradually you'll start having the feeling and you have laughter with the force. Let's start laughing. Start laughing. Open your mouth. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Not laughing? Why don't you laugh? Please try to laugh. Start laughing. No, clap and laugh. Then you can run. Ha, 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 ha. Please laugh. Ha, 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 ha. Now, I think it's the time for question. If you have got any question, and if I'm capable of answering you, I will.
ओके अभी ये क्वेश्चन आंसर का टाइम शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले बता दूं कि मैंने ये जो ग्रुप है वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप अभी ओपन कर दिया है, तो ये प्रेम जी के लिए सब लोग फीडबैक दे सकते हैं। और एक दूसरी बात है कि मैं एक वीजा के लिए हम इंफॉर्मेशन सेमिनार एक उसका अरेंज करना चाहते हैं सैटरडे को, तो वो भी जो लोग इंटरेस्टेड है तो वो भी ग्रुप में लिख लें। अभी जिसको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके प्रेम जी को पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन टर्न बाय टर्न प्लीज। किसी को क्वेश्चन है?
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन मेरा ही है पहले तो। ये सेमिनार किस चीज का है? सेमिनार किस चीज का है?
ये जो अभी कई लोगों का वीजा के लिए फोन आ रहा है कि वीजा में कोई दिक्कत है, या जाने का यहाँ फंस गई, या तो किसी का वहां से फंस गए।
दैट्स वेरी गुड।
कौन सा है वो सैटरडे को जो हमारे जगदीश चूक जी है ना, वो एक्सपर्ट है, तो उनका मैंने उनसे बात की है तो वो एग्री हो गए कि नहीं हम रेडी, मैं रेडी हूँ, आप जो बोलो टाइम। तो
he has the knowledge of all that. He is very updated all the time.
और सैटरडे इसलिए रखा है क्योंकि शायद हमारे किसी को बच्चे को भी बिठाना है साथ में, तो वो लोग फ्री होते हैं सैटरडे को, तो वो किसी कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर है कि भाई कौन सा वीजा अप्लाई करना है, कौन सा क्या करना है, तो वो पूछ सकते हैं बच्चे भी, इसलिए सैटरडे का सोच रहा था। अभी
एक मैसेज मैं भी कन्वे कर दूं कि हमने सेवा ग्रुप में कुछ मैसेजेस लिखे हैं स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प के लिए कि कब उनकी फ्लाइट्स वगैरह जा रही हैं। वैसे आप लोग हर ग्रुप में आ रहे हैं तो उसको भी जरा ध्यान दे दें कि किसी को जाना हो, किसी को बुकिंग करानी हो, तो 10 तारीख उसकी लास्ट डेट है।
हाँ यस, 10th को है वो
हाँ,
फॉर्म का
फर्स्ट
भी
कम
लिंक।
फर्स्ट सर्व्ड, क्योंकि
लिंक
सीट्स इतनी ज्यादा नहीं है।
हाँ सीट्स ज्यादा नहीं है, तो फॉर्म अभी फिलअप करना है उसका।
हाँ जी, उसके लिए
तो
फॉर्म
लिंक,
भी फिलअप करना
हाँ तो लिंक ग्रुप में ही, सब ग्रुप में आ गई है लिंक।
है।
तो अभी किसी को क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं। उषा जी आपका है कुछ? 1 मिनट अनम्यूट। हाँ जी उषा जी बोलिए।
ये कंटिन्यू रखना,
हाँ जी
क्या?
योगा क्लासेस कंटिन्यू रखना।
हाँ ये तो एवरी वीक चालू ही है, एवरी वीक अभी, एवरी वेडनेसडे।
बहुत अच्छा से निकलता है।
गुड गुड गुड,
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
और किसी को?
अटेंड करूंगी मैं सैटरडे ना, टाइम बता देना, करेंगे जरूर।
हाँ आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी।
सेमिनार,
हाँ सेमिनार ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
हाँ वो सेमिनार सैटरडे को है, तो वो मैं टाइम वगैरह सब ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा, सब ग्रुप
ठीक
में।
है ठीक
सब
है।
लोग इंटरेस्टेड है, ज्यादा लोग तो फिर कर लेते हैं, इसमें क्या है।
हाँ
क्योंकि किसी को काम में आ जाए तो उसका कुछ काम बन सकता है। कई लोग अभी।
थैंक यू।
और किसी को कुछ?
एक्सरसाइज करवाते हो खूब अच्छे से।
और किसी को कुछ पूछना है क्या?
नहीं
है ना? चलो तो सबको अनम्यूट कर देता हूँ मैं अभी। सब लोग, हम सब प्रेम जी के लिए पहले एक बार जोरदार तालियां तो कर ले।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, शुक्रिया
नहीं,
आपका जी, ऐसा
लैपटॉप
कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है।
स्क्रीन में देखे ऐसे ही हो गया यार।
मैं आप सबके लिए करती हूँ।
प्रेम जी इतना टाइम निकाल के हमारे लिए सब कुछ कर रहे हैं। टाइम में सबका इम्यून बना रहे, ये उनका पहला दिए।
नहीं देखिए, टाइम तो हम सभी निकालते हैं, पर इकट्ठे मिलके कर लेते हैं, इसी बहाने एक दूसरे के दर्शन हो जाते हैं। प्रफुल्ल भाई के दर्शन हो गए मुझे।
हाँ
इकट्ठे मिलके
कुछ मतलब नहीं है,
ऐसे ही ऐसे ही चले जाओ, उसको मत पहलो। अंदर करो बनियान, अंदर करो सफेद करो, कुछ पहन के मत जाना।
हेलो, और किसी को कुछ नहीं है तो शैलेश भाई गीत गाना है आपको?
नहीं अभी नहीं,
नहीं ना?
नहीं अभी
गा लो। ओके। हाँ कौन बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ जी,
तृप्ता जी।
हाँ जी,
ये क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
प्रेम जी से पूछते हैं। हाँ, प्रेम जी जो भारती जैसे किया, उसमें बीच में उल्टा हो जाता है अपने आप ही, समझ नहीं आती क्या
कैसे उल्ट हो जाता है? करिए, मैं आपको देखती, करिए मैं
बात तो ठीक होता है, बीच में ही कहीं पता नहीं कब एकदम हो
ऐसे
जाता है।
थोड़ा सा बीच में गैप ले लिया करें,
अच्छा ठीक है
ना? जब आपको लगे कि गलत हो रहा है, उसमें
हाँ।
ये है कि आपको सिर्फ सांसें छोड़नी है,
छोड़नी है, हाँ
ऐसे जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ ना।
हाँ जी हाँ जी, आप नहीं दिख रहे।
ऐसे 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 अब दिख रहा है मेरा पेट, पेट दिख रहा है?
एक मिनट,
हाँ, अब दिख रहा है।
एक मिनट
ऐसे है।
हाँ जी,
नहीं ये देखिए पेट है ये, तो कैसे होगा? मैं सांस छोड़ूंगी, इसमें क्या है, मैं सांस ले नहीं रही। अगर मैं
हाँ।
सांस लूं तो कैसे होगा? ये गलत है।
हाँ वो बीच में आ जाता है, फिर रुकती तो हूँ, दोबारा शुरू करती हूँ।
दोबारा शुरू करना है तो ऐसे ही करना है।
हाँ
तो जो सांस आती है वो ऑटोमेटिकली हल्की सी आती है, वो पता
हाँ,
नहीं चलती, लेकिन अगर आपको पता चलती है तो वो गलत हो जाता है। ऐसे है, अगर ऐसे करें,
हाँ, वही कहना कि मतलब ऐसे
सांस लेनी नहीं है, सांस लेने में बिल्कुल एफर्ट नहीं करनी है, सिर्फ सांस छोड़ने में आपने कोशिश करनी है।
अच्छा, और जो दूसरा एक आपने बताया था कि सांस ले,
हाँ जी,
तो एक और बताया था इसके साथ पेट का ही,
अच्छा वो था सांस पूरी तरह बाहर छोड़ के, पूरी तरह बाहर छोड़ के, ना लेनी है ना देनी, कुछ नहीं, सांस ना लेनी है ना छोड़नी है। एक बार छोड़ दी सांस, उसको कहते हैं बाह्य प्राणायाम। बाह्य का मतलब बाहरी सांस छोड़ देनी है। तो
अच्छा।
पेट जो है जैसे खाली है, तो उसको आपने अपनी अंदर से फीलिंग के साथ, तो इमोशंस और फीलिंग के साथ आपने पेट को आगे पीछे करना है। जैसे मैंने सांस छोड़ दी, बाहर छोड़ दी ना, पेट अंदर गया, इस तरह अंदर जाएगा एक बार।
तो पेट को अंदर बाहर करते रहना है।
हाँ, अंदर बाहर करते रहना है। शुरू में आपसे सिर्फ 3-4 बार ही होगा, फिर 10 बार हो जाएगा, 12 बार हो जाएगा, इस तरह से होता जाएगा। लेकिन आप तो घर में बैठे अकेले प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो आपको पता है आज मेरा इतनी बार हुआ, तो थोड़ा इससे कोशिश करूं। पहली बार ज्यादा बार होता है, फिर उसी वक्त दूसरी बार करो तो थोड़ा कम होता है, क्योंकि आपके जो है इतनी प्रैक्टिस नहीं है। मेरे से भी पहली बार में ज्यादा होगा, दूसरी बार में कम होगा, तो थोड़े गैप के बाद करेंगे तो फिर हो जाएगा।
पहली बार तो काफी स्ट्रोक लग जाते हैं, फिर कम होता है।
हाँ, फिर कम हो जाता है, तो थोड़े देर बाद करेंगे तो फिर हो जाएगा।
थैंक यू।
ठीक है, और कोई बात?
और किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो किसी को है कुछ कोई क्वेश्चन? तो ये अनिका जी, आपको भी बोलना है कुछ?
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ રાજેન્દ્રભાઈ. હું અમેરિકા લોસ એન્જલસથી સેજલ વાત કરું છું.
थैंक यू प्रेम जी।
थैंक यू प्रफुल्ल भाई, बहुत अच्छा
How are you?
बहुत
अभी और आप सबका भी
वीडियो
धन्यवाद।
ऑन नहीं है।
इसी बहाने सबके दर्शन हो जाते हैं। वैसे तो घरों से निकल नहीं सकते, लेकिन अब इस बहाने सब हम एक दूसरे को देख लेते हैं कि ठीक ठाक है, भगवान की दया है, शुक्र है प्रभु तेरा कि सब बहन भाई हमारे ठीक हैं।
નમસ્કાર.
सेजल वीडियो ऑन
नमस्ते।
कर दो, सेजल।
નમસ્તે અંકલ.
नमस्ते जी।
मेरा आंटी से एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ जी, कहिए।
आंटी, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि कोई ऐसा आसन भी है कि जैसे मुझे थायराइड है, हाइपोथायराइड है और हाइपरटेंशन भी है, और HbA1c भी थोड़ा सा बढ़ा हुआ है.
हाइपरटेंशन के लिए आपको जब प्राणायाम करना है तो एक तो स्पीड ज्यादा नहीं रखनी है।
हाँ
स्पीड
जी.
ज्यादा नहीं रखनी है। हाइपरटेंशन में अगर ज्यादा स्पीड रखेंगे तो और ज्यादा ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है। और अगर आपको थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके लिए मैंने पिछली बार बताया था उज्जयी प्राणायाम। प्राणायाम आपको सारे करने हैं थायराइड के लिए, स्पेशली अनुलोम विलोम जरूर करना है, और उज्जयी प्राणायाम। उज्जयी प्राणायाम कैसे करते हैं? आपको गले को सिकोड़ना है, गले को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है, अपने जो है थॉरेक्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है। कैसे करना है वो देखिए। हाँ जी, अब नजर आ रहा है?
आपका एक मिनट, आपका व्यू कर देता हूँ।
अब नजर आ रहा है? अब मेरे ख्याल नजर आ रहा होगा।
एक मिनट प्रेम जी, आपका व्यू कर रहा हूँ।
कैसे करना है? थोड़ी सी आवाज भी थोड़ी निकलेगी, मुंह बंद करके, और आपने अंदर से करना है। कई बार खांसी भी आ जाती, जैसे मुझे अभी आ गई है, तो स्क्वीज करना है। फिर राइट नॉस्ट्रिल को बंद करके लेफ्ट से हवा बाहर निकालनी है। पहले गले को स्क्वीज करना है, फिर राइट नॉस्ट्रिल को थंब से बंद करना है, और लेफ्ट से आपने एयर जो है बाहर निकालनी है। इससे क्या होगा, आपकी ये जो गले की नली है ये थोड़ी खुलनी शुरू हो जाएगी, और इसमें जो प्रॉब्लम है वो ठीक होती है। द एलिमेंट विद इन द थायराइड दैट इज क्योर्ड। लेकिन बाकी प्राणायाम आपको सारे करने हैं। ये उज्जयी प्राणायाम भी साथ करना है।
ओके आंटी.
एक ये उज्जयी प्राणायाम और भ्रामरी प्राणायाम, दोनों
हाँ
उसके
जी.
लिए जरूरी है। तो एक बार मैं फिर से आपको बताती हूँ आप कैसे करेंगे। इस तरह से
मतलब ये अंदर सांस लेते वक्त गले को पूरा सिकोड़ना है.
सांस लेते वक्त नहीं, आपको गले को सिकोड़ना है। सांस तो नेचुरल है, उसके लिए सांस की एफर्ट नहीं है। गले की है।
ओके
तो ये करना है आपको, इससे आपको पर। और जहां तक आपका हाइपरटेंशन का सवाल है बेटा, सोच छोड़ना, मैंने आपको शायद पिछली बार भी समझाया था, दुनिया की चिंता बिल्कुल छोड़ दो। कोई दुनिया तुम्हारी सगी नहीं है, सगा है तो तुम्हारा अपना आप सगा है, जो तुम्हारे शरीर तुम्हारा साथ दे रहा है। इस शरीर ने साथ देना है, शरीर साथ देगा, बच्चे भी देंगे, बाकी भी देंगे, रिश्तेदार बहन भाई भी तभी पूछेंगे अगर आप तंदुरुस्त हो तो। अगर आप तंदुरुस्त नहीं हो तो कोई भी सगा नहीं है। तो अपनी केयर करना शुरू कर दो। ये सोचो मैंने अब पहले अपने लिए जीना है, मैं हूं तो मैं ठीक हूं तो मैं सबको पूछ लूंगी, नहीं ठीक तो मैं कैसे पूछूंगी। तो
जी
अपनी
जी
केयर करना शुरू कर दो, दुनिया की परवाह बिल्कुल ना करो। जब तुम सुखी हो तो सब तुम्हारे साथ आ जाएंगे, और जब तुम, कोई किसी का रोना सुनता नहीं है, कोई नहीं सुनता, और हंसते हुए के
बिल्कुल
साथ सब हंसते हैं। तो मैं
जी
बताऊं, तुम बहुत बोल्ड हो, तुम बहुत बहादुर लड़की हो, और तुम्हें अपनी सारी बातों को, किसी के दया का पात्र बनने की जरूरत नहीं है, किसी को अपना दुख सुनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि किसी ने
यस
तुम्हारा करना तो कुछ है नहीं, और फालतू में करके चले जाएंगे, सामने लिप सिंपैथी दे देंगे, बाद जाके वही बातें करते हैं। तो
यस आंटी
बेहतर है अपने आप को स्ट्रांग बनाओ। तुम स्ट्रांग हो, जो कि परिवार को पाल रही हो, बहुत स्ट्रांग हो। भगवान तुम्हें और हिम्मत देगा जब तुम कहोगे ना, भगवान मैंने तो अपने आप करना है, बस तेरा सहारा चाहिए, मुझे किसी का नहीं चाहिए। देखना
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
स्ट्रांग हो जाओगे, बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाओगे तुम, सच कह रही हूँ। और तुम
यस
अपन बाद में तुम्हें खुद लगेगा, अरे मैं कैसे, मेरे में लोग मुझे कहते तो बड़ी हिम्मत वाली, मुझे हिम्मत आई कहाँ से हिम्मत आई? ये तुम अपने आप रियलाइज करो कि भगवान ने दिया हिम्मत, मुझे तो हिम्मत नहीं थी, मैं तो टूट चुकी थी, लेकिन
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
पता नहीं भगवान ने मुझे कहाँ से हिम्मत दे दी। और तुम्हें सब तुम्हारी तारीफ करेंगे, समझ आई? किसी की
यस
परवाह ना करो, किसी की भी, ना बहन ना भाई ना रिश्तेदार ना बिरादरी, किसी ने साथ नहीं देना, एक साथ तुम्हारे अपने शरीर ने देना।
यस आंटी
लेट इट बी
आंटी
हेल्दी।
मुझे ना हमेशा मुझे मतलब जैसे मैं रात को जैसे सोने जाती हूँ ड्राइनेस होने लग जाती है गले में।
थोड़ा गर्म पानी पीना शुरू कर दो,
ओके
और
ठीक
थोड़ा
है
घी वाली चीजें भी खाया करो, कोई हर्ज नहीं है, समझ आई?
वेट
और
है ना
नाभि पे ना 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 ना, घी खाने से वेट नहीं बढ़ता, नाभि पे थोड़ा घी लगाओ यहाँ पर, इससे
ओके
थोड़ा अंदर जो भी ड्राइनेस है पूरी बॉडी में उससे जाए, क्योंकि ये दिस इज अ सेंट्रल पॉइंट ऑफ द बॉडी।
ओके
तो इसमें थोड़ा घी रात को जरूर लगाया करो।
जी
That will
आंटी
help.
जी आंटी
तुम
थैंक यू सो
इतनी
मच
इतनी हेल्दी हो जाओगे, मैं बता नहीं सकते। हेल्दी का मतलब एनर्जाइज्ड। ठीक है,
यस आंटी थैंक यू सो मच आंटी
गॉड
बहुत अच्छा
ब्लेस
से
यू, गॉड
थैंक यू
ब्लेस
आंटी
यू,
नमस्ते
ब्लेस यू
आंटी
बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू, यू आर ए स्ट्रॉन्ग लेडी। नमस्ते जी।
गुड गुड, सबको मजा आया। लेकिन प्रेम जी हमारे साथ अमेरिका से भी लोग जुड़े हुए थे।
अच्छा, दैट्स गुड।
हाँ, तो उनका भी मैसेज आया कि नहीं बहुत ही मजा आया, बहुत ही अच्छा सेशन रहा।
ये तो हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि सबको आनंद आया, तो हमें तो सब अपने सबसे ज्यादा आनंद आया। फिर
मुझे तो
अगर
नहीं मालूम था, अभी उनका मैसेज
मैं
आया
तो
तो
ये
पढ़ा।
कहूंगी कि कोई कमी हो ना, वो भी बता दिया करो, ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम वो ना रहे।
वो भी
दैट विल
सही
बी
है।
गुड।
तो
ठीक है।
ये तो, लेकिन सबका मैंने इसलिए ग्रुप ओपन रखा है कि सब आप लोग फीडबैक दे सकते हैं, किसी को कुछ इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए तो वो भी बोल सकते हैं।
दैट्स
ठीक है
गुड।
ना? अभी सबको
नमस्ते।
मीटिंग खत्म कर दें, ठीक है?
हाँ जी,
चलो जी,
ठीक है जी,
सबको नमस्कार। और
नमस्कार,
ये
धन्यवाद।
वीजा इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए जिसको भी इंटरेस्ट है वो फिर लिख देना, तो मैं इसको सबको लिंक सैटरडे का टाइम एडजस्ट करके लिंक भेज दूंगा।
ठीक है,
दोपहर के बाद का सोच रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इंडिया से भी कई लोग जानना चाहते हैं, तो वो भी ज्वाइन हो सके।
ठीक है।
ठीक है।
थैंक यू आंटी जी।
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते
नमस्कार।
बेटा,
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते बेटा, नमस्ते जी,
आप
नमस्ते बेटा।
हमारे लिए ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन हो आप।
नहीं 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 नहीं, भगवान सबका भला करे, सब भगवान के दिए हुए हैं, एक दूसरे को हम इंस्पायर करते रहते हैं, बस यही है, उसकी दया बनी रहे सब पे।
थैंक यू आर के अंकल जी।
चलिए जी,
वेलकम।
थैंक
बस सब एंजॉय करो, सब इसका बेनिफिट लो, यही तो हमारा पर्पस है।
चलो
जी,
शांति
थैंक
पाठ
यू
कर दें।
सो मच।
किसी के पास इतनी सारी स्किल है तो ये सबको बेनिफिट मिले।
हाँ जी, शांति पाठ कर दें फिर।
हाँ जी, हाँ
जी
जी।
जी क्वेश्चन के लिए।
ओ त्यो शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्ति सर्वं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः 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 धन्यवाद
थैंक यू आर के
वेलकम
धन्यवाद भाई साहब
सबके लिए थैंक्स यार, हम सबको
सबका धन्यवाद
हम सब फ्रेंड्स हैं, हमारे लिए कोई थैंक्स नहीं।
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप ही तो सबको इकट्ठा करते हो मिल
नहीं नहीं ये तो ऊपर वाला कर रहा है, हम कहाँ करते हैं।
भाई साहब आपसे मेरे बहुत मैं मतलब आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू। आपने जो वो रिकॉर्डिंग का जो अरेंजमेंट कर दिया, तो आपने रिकॉर्डिंग की व्यवस्था की है भेजने के लिए, उसके लिए वेरी वेरी थैंक यू। तो देखिए हम लोग
ने कुछ कहा था।
हाँ हो सके तो इस टाइम का भी डाल दूंगा ये वीडियो भी।
थैंक यू जी।
हाँ जी चलो जी, और मिलते हैं, नमस्कार।